Hello everyone and welcome back to Walks to Unwind and the next chapter of the Dallas Road Waterfront Walk. Glad you could join me today. It's a beautiful March day. Oh, sorry, wait a minute, is it March yet? Yeah, of course it's March. It's almost April. It's April next week. Last time we were down here, the storms were blowing and the winds were crashing. Much calmer day today, so let's head down to where we left off and carry on from there. Well, it's much calmer weather today than it was in the last video. Oh, and we've got ourselves a Prince of Wales whale watching ship going by. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. I have my wide angle lens on today, so we have a wide picture, but things like that ship appear a lot farther away than they do. Okay, well, welcome to another chapter. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I've had a very stressful day. In fact, I've had a very stressful week. So I'm glad that I can come down here and glad that you can join me and have a nice relaxing walk by the water. Ourselves some big river rocks again. Not the easiest to walk on. But everybody else is sitting up on the lugs up by the bank. Wow, look at how smooth these rocks are. You can tell they've been incredibly smooth. Wow. Been washed over for many years by the waves. In case you're new here, my name's Ryan. And yes, my channel is called Walks to Unwind. Created the channel in the hopes of giving everybody a little short, maybe 5, 8, 10-minute break in their days, just to sit back and relax. Enjoy the coastline of Vancouver Island on the west coast of Canada. all the videos that I make. I do ones like this where I talk a little bit and let nature sound be the soundtrack. Then I release the same video with some relaxing music overlaid. So you have a choice of which you'd like to watch. I could stand here for a long time. This is a great spot. This is the type of place where while you're watching this, I encourage you to do some deep breathing, deep relaxing breaths. Let them out slowly as you watch the scenery. And just to let you know, up over there, that's actually the Coho Ferry, or the Blackball Ferry that's leaving at the moment. Hopefully you can see that. We'll try zooming in out again. And where that ferry came from was behind the breakwater wall, also known as Ogden Point. That's where we'll be ending our walk finally of the Dallas Road Waterfront Walk series. Incredible rocks here. Let's see if we can get up on top of some of these. See what happens. Actually, you know what? We may have to save that for the next video. Be like a cliffhanger. Quite literally a cliffhanger of some rocks. Because that's going to do it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's walk. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends all about it. I'm sure there's others you must know that want to just sit back and relax and watch some videos like this. Good stress reliever. Good way to just decompress. So on that note, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And don't forget, kindness is free, so why not give it away? Take care, everybody. Bye.